elephant. Oh,
by
hi,
himself.
elephant. Hi, elephant. Yeah, where's the mate?
He's trying to remove that dead branch on top of that grass to get that fresh grass.
Wow. Could he be young without a mate?
Pardon?
Could he be a young elephant without a mate?
Yeah, it's a young elephant. They can be themselves. You know, boys they like to play around. Then while the other head keep on going, they stay behind, but they will keep on following
Mm-hmm.
by how do you say? They can track them by using the scent of the other one where they go.
Uh-huh. Wow. Amazing.
It's a real treat to
2
see
to
him.
5. Hi, Mr. Elephant. Oh my.
You see, it looks like he's been in there. This plus themselves with water. I mean, a mud on top of the body. And also the scent on
Oh,
the
I see it.
forehead.
Yeah.
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 So it's also helped them for the sunscreen. They use it as a sunscreen.
Yeah.
They like to go where there's a mud and
Yeah.
rolling on the mud and splashing themselves in the mud.
Right.
Also chase the flies on.
He's eating.
Quite beautiful. Then they live up to 65 years.
Wow.
Yeah. And they have a 6 set of molars. You know, 6 set of molars.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
So every 10 years they lose one set of molars. Every 10 years lose one set of molars. As they can't eat, they can't feed, then they can die from
Oh,
starving.
sad. They need some dentists.
Yeah, then they need to go to the river in where there's a soft foods for them,
Yeah.
grasses, something like that. Yeah, they feed on it. Yeah, it's where they die from.
He's so
And you find they
cute.
said it's a elephant graveyard. No, it's not. It's just they like to go into the softer place and look for the soft food.
Mm-hmm. Like what kind of soft food would they eat?
Yeah, the grasses and on the reeds.
Okay.
Yeah. Some trees in the river they are soft. They go for that.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at him rip that tree. Wow.
The gestation of the elephants up to 22 months. Gestation period
Mm-hmm.
of the elephant is 22 months.
Yep, I knew that.
Good to go. You still gonna see the sound, eh? Are you okay, ma'am?
Yep, I'm good. Okay.
The nyala.
Yeah.
The
Oh.
male and female, the one that is the same species. Same species. You see the one at the back?
Yeah,
With
that's
the
the
black
male.
color.
Wow.
It's a male. When they born with a red that yellowish color,
Uh-huh.
so they can change where they go with.
So does the male have usually 2 and 3 females?